A slab of material of dielectric constant K has the same area as the plate of parallel plate capacitor but has a thickness 3 by 4 D, where D is the separation of the plates. How is the capacitance change when the slab is inserted between the plates? Now in this question we have a situation like this, we have a parallel plate capacitor like this, and we inserted a dielectric constant K like this, okay, and whose distance or thickness is, I should say, 3 by 4 D. So this region is having a distance of D by 4, right? So initially we know that parallel plate capacitor C will be epsilon naught A by D, but now in this situation actually this is being changed. How? So how do we calculate? So we want to calculate the potential difference. So for this we need to calculate the value of V1. So what is the value of V1? V1 means E1 into D1 or E1 into D1, and E will be sigma by K epsilon naught, right? K epsilon naught, because dielectric constant is K epsilon naught into D. So D1 will be equal to 3D by 4, correct? So now we get the value of V1, correct? And now from there we can calculate the value of V2, which is the remaining part for weight of air 1. So V2 for air part. So this will be E2 into D2, and E2 will be nothing else sigma upon epsilon naught, okay, in air, and D2 will be D by 4. So this will be sigma D by 4 epsilon naught, correct? Now what is the total potential drop? So V total will be equal to V1 plus V2. So what is the value of V1? So V1 we have 3 sigma D divided by 4K epsilon naught plus the value of V2 will be sigma D upon 4 epsilon naught, correct? Now we can take common. So sigma D by 4 epsilon naught will be common, and if we take K also common, then we can get 3 plus K, right? 3 plus K will be the V total. So now we got the value of V total, but we want the capacitance. How is the capacitance changed when the slab is inserted? So we want to calculate the value of capacitance, equivalent capacitance. So for that we will be using, again, Q is equal to CV. So Q is equal to C dash into V, and V total. So if we want to calculate C dash, so this Q will be is equal to sigma into A divide by V total value is, so sigma into D divided by 4 epsilon naught into K plus 3. So sigma will be cancelled out. We get the value of C dash, which will be 4 epsilon naught KD upon D into K plus 3. So this is the value of C dash. So we can rewrite is 4K divided by K plus 3 into epsilon naught A upon D. So that much change there will be in C equivalent. So this will be the C equivalent value. So I believe option number 1 is the right choice. So 1 is the right answer.